Here with me, I have Neutrogena 4% niacinamide and 1% Panthenol. It's a gel-based moisturizer, and today I'm going to be talking about different ingredients present in it and how does this moisturizer feel on my skin, and also who all can benefit out of this moisturizer. The pros about this formulation is that it is fragrance-free. There are two different variations of this formulation, one with fragrance and one without fragrance. I did go and purchase the non-fragrant one because I wanted to do an honest review about this, and I wanted to show you how does this product actually feel like. As it's a gel-based moisturizer, a lot of wide range of skin type can use it. Here in this formulation, there is 4% niacinamide. In the studies, in the research, it has been observed that 5% of niacinamide can do a lot of benefits to the skin. But if it's 10% of niacinamide, it's not suitable for a lot of skin type. It can be dry skin type, sensitive skin type, or else someone who is suffering from dermatitis. But if you have a formulation that is below 5%, there is a chance that even the sensitive and dry skin type or very dry skin type can get benefit out of it. The another pro about this formulation is the Panthenol. Now, Panthenol is known as vitamin B5. It helps to soothe the skin, it helps to nourish the skin, and also helps with anti-inflammatory properties. If someone is suffering from dermatitis, they have ruptured skin barrier, which means that there can be other environmental stresses or external factors that can penetrate the skin because it's ruptured, and that can cause inflammation on the skin. So this Panthenol ingredient goes and targets that space and helps with reducing that inflammation, which can cause redness, can look really off onto the skin. It also says that it's suitable for spot-prone skin, which means they're talking about pigmented skin, someone who has skin of color and who has pigmentation mark. Niacinamide will target those marks and help you to reduce those marks by reducing the tyrosinase enzyme, which leads to production of the hyperpigmentation. So I like this whole formulation, as niacinamide is a star ingredient here, and the second ingredient that helps to bring back that healthy skin barrier is the Panthenol. When you look at the ingredient list, the first 4 ingredients matter the most, right? So there is no denatured alcohol, which can lead to dryness of the skin. First ingredient here is water. The second one is glycerin. Glycerin is a natural humectant, helps to hold water onto the top layer of the skin. The third ingredient here is dimethicone. Now, dimethicone is a silicone-based ingredient. It makes a shield on your skin so that it helps you from the environmental stresses, whether it be the cold wind, whether it be the free radicals that can lead to aging. Fourth ingredient here is niacinamide. Niacinamide is in 4%. Now, niacinamide has numerous uses. It can help with acne, it can help with enlarged pores, it can help with the dry skin type, it can help you with the production of a healthy skin barrier, it can also help you with inflammation. So numerous uses of niacinamide, and also it can target the pigmentation mark and reduce those pigmentation mark. So it's a plus. You see, like a wide range of skin type can use this formulation. The sixth ingredient here is Panthenol. As I mentioned, Panthenol is vitamin B5. It helps with soothing the skin. It also helps with moisturizing the skin. So when we have a ruptured skin, Panthenol helps to hold those skin cells together. It helps as an oil-based ingredient, water-soluble ingredient. When it penetrates into the skin, it starts to hold those skin cells together, which improves the dry skin type. The proper chemical pathway might be complex to make you understand, but this is the easiest way that I can make you understand that Panthenol helps with the skin barrier repair, and also does the niacinamide. In the end of the ingredient list, there is tocopherol. Now, tocopherol is known as vitamin E, which is also known as the antioxidant. Now, antioxidant helps to scavenge out or to remove the free radicals from the skin, which is the pollutants which can lead to aging. Free radicals are challenging in today's world because numerous pollutants are leading to skin aging and also aging of our body. Having a proper antioxidant in the formulation just gives a boost to the formulation, which makes it really good for numerous application on the skin. I love this formulation. It is just right. It's formulated right. Now looking at its product packaging, it's a tube. You can carry it easily anywhere, and it is 50 ml of product here. So looking at the consistency now, I'm gonna show you how the product looks like. If you see, it's gel based. It seems quite lightweight. I'm gonna apply it now on my one side of the face. This side I'm gonna apply, and this side doesn't have any moisturizer or any product on. I just wanted to show you, like, when I apply this product on this side, how does it look from this side and what is the difference here. So I'm just gonna apply the product. Honestly, when I'm applying it, it does feel easy to use it. It doesn't feel thick consistency that it takes time to glide. It's easily gliding. It easily sits on the skin. When you compare the formulation from this side to this side feels a bit hydrated. And the best part about this formulation is that it's so lightweight that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing something onto my skin. And it's nice, and it has a cooling effect when I apply it on my skin. As it's a gel-based moisturizer, it does give a little bit matte effect once you apply it. So it means that even the oily skin type or someone who's suffering from acne-prone skin and sensitive skin type combination can get benefit out of this whole product formulation. After the 2 minutes of application, it has absorbed into my skin and it gives a nice lightweight finish. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a thick moisturizer on. Usually when I apply moisturizer in the wintertime, they are thick and they give nice shine on my face. But this doesn't feel like that. It feels natural. It is because of the dimethicone ingredient present in its formulation, and it gives a nice matte finish when you apply it. When you can compare it from this side to this side feels a little bit nourished. It feels moisturized. I think I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10 because there is no fragrance, because it has the right and adequate amount of ingredient, that is the niacinamide and panthenol. And for the third, I would say the formulation is right and it is well formulated, and it's a gel-based moisturizer, so it's a plus. Who all can use this product? Now this is very essential to know. Dry skin type, sensitive skin type, oily acne-prone skin, acne-sensitive skin type, or hyperpigmented skin or skin of color with a lot of pigmentation. All these people can get benefit out of this formulation, and I think that this is a right formulation because it's formulated well, and I think a lot of people can get benefit out of it. So that is it about this whole formulation. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. These are my social media handles. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. Thank you very much for watching this video again, guys. I will see you soon in another one. Take care. Bye.